Area, Advocate cum Vice President, High Court Bar Association, Bilaspur, Srimati Manvi Bharadwaj, Deputy Registrar, Srimati Sugna Dubey to kindly raise the hand. Now at first, I would like to seek the kind permission of Honorable the Chief Justice of High Court of Chhattisgarh to start today's celebration. Thank you, Lordship. Honorable the Chief Justice of High Court of Chhattisgarh, Honorable Mrs. Justice Rajni Dubey, Judge High Court of Chhattisgarh, Principal District and Sessions Judge Srimati Anita Daharia, Advocate cum Vice President, High Court Bar Association, Srimati Manvi Bharadwaj, Deputy Registrar Srimati Sugna Dubey, and all the honorable dignitaries of the dais, respected Registrar General and all the respected officers of Registry, respected Director and all the officers of Chhattisgarh State Judicial Academy, Member Secretary and all the judicial officers of Chhattisgarh State Judicial Service, Advocate General, Additional Advocate General, President and members, High Court Bar Association, High Court of Chhattisgarh, and all other present here. A very good afternoon to all of you. In the brave soil of Chhattisgarh, the strength of women has always been a silent foundation. Welcome to our celebration of International Women's Day 2026, a day to honor the women who ensure that my humble request to kindly rise for national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
To be on an auspicious note, I request Honorable the Chief Justice for lighting of the lamp and distinguished guests on the dais to kindly accompany your Lordship. Rajni Srivastava to kindly felicitate Honorable the Chief Justice of High Court of Chhattisgarh with a bouquet plant as a token of our deep esteem. I request respected Registrar Vigilance Manish Thakur to kindly felicitate Honorable Mrs. Justice Rajni Dubey, Judge High Court of Chhattisgarh with a bouquet plant as a token of her sincere welcome. I request respected Registrar IND Shri Mansoor Ahmed to kindly felicitate Principal District and Session Judge Srimati Anita Daharia with a bouquet plant as a mark of our warm welcome. Thank you, sir. I request Advocate Sarla Sahu to kindly felicitate Advocate cum Vice President High Court Bar Association Srimati Manvi Bharadwaj with bouquet plant as a mark of our welcome. I request Srimati Anita Negi to kindly felicitate Deputy Registrar Srimati Sugna Dubey with a bouquet plant as a mark of our sincere welcome. Thank you. I request respected Registrar Judicial, Shri Khilavan Ram Reddy, Mark of our Welcome. I request respected Registrar SNA Shri Pankaj Kumar Jain to kindly felicitate Honorable Mr. Justice Narendra Kumar Vyas, Judge High Court of Chhattisgarh, with the bouquet plant as a mark of our sincere welcome. Thank you, sir. I request respected Director Srimati Nidhi Sharma Tiwari to kindly felicitate Honorable Naresh Kumar Chandravanshi, Judge High Court of Chhattisgarh, with a bouquet plant as a mark of our sincere welcome. I request Registrar Computerization Shri Vivek Verma to kindly felicitate Honorable Mr. Justice Sachin Singh Rajput, Judge High Court of Chhattisgarh, with a bouqueted plant as a mark of our warm welcome. Thank you. I request Member Secretary Shri Leeladhar Sai Yadav to kindly felicitate Honorable Mr. Justice Rakesh Mohan Pandey, Judge High Court of Chhattisgarh, with a bouqueted plant as a token of our warm welcome. I request Additional Director Shri Anand Prakash Dixit to kindly felicitate Honorable Mr. Justice Radha Kishan Agarwal, Judge High Court of Chhattisgarh, with a bouqueted plant as a mark of our sincere welcome. Thank you. I request Registrar Establishment Shri Anil Pandey to kindly felicitate Honorable Mr. Justice Sanjay Kumar Jaiswal, Judge High Court of Chhattisgarh, with a bouqueted plant as a mark of our warm welcome. I request Additional Registrar Judicial Shri Sumit Kapoor to kindly felicitate Honorable Mr. Justice Ravin Kumar Agarwal, Judge High Court of Chhattisgarh, with a bouqueted plant as a token of our sincere welcome. I request Secretary High Court Legal Services Committee Shri Om Prakash Jaiswal to kindly felicitate Honorable Mr. Justice Arvind Kumar Verma, Judge High Court of Chhattisgarh, with a bouqueted plant as a token of our warm welcome. I request Additional Registrar Admin Shri Santosh Kumar Thakur to kindly felicitate Honorable Mr. Justice Vibhu Dattaguru, Judge High Court of Chhattisgarh, with a bouqueted plant as a token of our sincere welcome. Thank you. I request Deputy Director CAJ Shri Rahul Sharma to kindly felicitate Honorable Mr. Justice Amiten Kishore Prasad, Judge High Court of Chhattisgarh, with a bouqueted plant as a token of our sincere welcome. Thank you. Law and a woman aware of law is a power. With these words, we now move to a very special segment of our celebration, where we will witness Honorable High Court of Chhattisgarh honoring the diverse and invaluable contribution of the women who form the backbone of Chhattisgarh judicial system. And I request Honorable the Chief Justice to kindly felicitate Honorable Mrs. Justice Rajni Dubey, whose journey serves as a beacon of inspiration for every woman aspiring to raise a legal profession. I request your Lordship to kindly felicitate our distinguished women, each of whom represents a unique story of dedication, and it is our institutional pride to recognize them today. I invite respected Principal Investigating Session Judge Srimati Anita Lehria to kindly receive the token of appreciation from Honorable the Chief Justice of High Court. I request respected Director CAJ Srimati Nidhi Sharma Tiwari to please come and receive the honor from your Lordship. I invite Srimati Kiran Thawai, District and Additional Session Judge Raipur, to receive the honor from your Lordship. I also request Srimati Kiran Thawai to receive the honor on behalf of Srimati Pushpalata Markande, District and Additional Session Judge. I invite Srimati Deepthi Verma, Civil Judge Senior Division, Kota Bilaspur. I invite Srimati Keva Rajput, Civil Judge Senior Division, Kota Bilaspur, to receive the honor from your Lordship. कुमारी तान्या ब्रह्मे सिविल जज जूनियर डिवीजन महासमुंद। एडवोकेट श्रीमती रेणु कोचर to receive the honor from your lordship. I invite Advocate Sarla Sahu to receive the honor on behalf of Advocate Srimati Savita Tiwari. I invite Advocate Srimati Surya Kavasar Gandhi to receive the honor from High Court Bar Association. Srimati Manvi Bharadwaj is requested to receive the honor from your lordship. Sarina Khan is requested to receive the honor from your lordship. I invite mediator from Advocate Srimati Beenu Sharma to please come and receive the honor from your lordship. Deputy Registrar Srimati Sugna Dubey to receive the honor from your lordship. Section Officer Manju Nodia is kindly requested to receive the honor on behalf of Assistant Registrar Srimati Nirmala Rao to receive the honor from your lordship. I invite Senior Court Manager Group Srimati Nidhi Dua to receive her honor from your lordship. Section Officer Srimati Geeta Sharma kindly come and receive the honor from your lordship. Private Secretary Srimati Nikita Jain, please come and receive the honor. Court Master Srimati Nirima Oke, please come and receive the honor from your lordship. I invite Senior Assistant Librarian Srimati Sangeeta Eka to kindly come and receive the honor from your lordship. Assistant Section Officer Srimati Dheeraj Srivastav to please come and receive the honor. Stenographer Kumari Bhumika Ngare, please come and have the honor from the hands of your lordship. I invite Assistant Court Master Srimati Ritu Rakesh Suryavanshi to receive the honor from your lordship. Sham Reporter Srimati Anju Verma, please come and receive the honor. Translator Kumari Nilima Sahu, kindly come and receive the honor from the dais. Senior Judicial Assistant Srimati Meena Manolia, please come and receive the honor from your lordship. I invite Junior Judicial Assistant Srimati Suman Soni to receive the honor from your lordship. Anganwadi Karyakarta Srimati Sunita Puri, please come and have the honor from your lordship. I request Anganwadi Karyakarta Kumari Ragini Marko to receive the honor from your lordship. Staff car driver Srimati Lakshmi Yadav, please come and have the honor from your lordship. Record supplier Srimati Basanti Pant, please come and have the honor from your lordship. Class 4 employee Srimati Shaina Hussain, please come and have the honor from your lordship. Superintendent Salsa Srimati Bhumeshwari Nilhare, please come and have the honor from your lordship. I request Deployment Head E-Office Srimati Nitya Sahu to receive the honor from your lordship. Computer operator Ms. Alma Zubi, please come and receive the honor from your lordship. I request daily paid employee Srimati Nirmala Rai, please come and receive the honor. I invite Sanic Home Guard 18, Mrs. Gangotri Sonwani to receive the honor from your lordship. Medical officer, Honorable Dr. Surekha Kaushik, please come and have the honor from your lordship. I also request Dr. Surekha Kaushik to kindly receive the honor on behalf of Dr. Shekhar Pandro, Ayurvedic. I invite Medical Officer Ayurved, Dr. Sweetie Chhabra to receive the honor from your lordship. Medical Officer Dr. Lekhanjali Verma, kindly come and receive the honor from your lordship. Dr. Aparna Tiwari, Medical Officer, please come and have the honor from your lordship. Staff Nurse Srimati Bharti Sahu, please come and have the honor from your lordship. Staff Nurse Srimati Akansha Vani, please come and have the honor from your lordship. I request Dr. Sweetie Chhabra to receive the honor on behalf of Alternate Sevak Srimati Shelly Verma to receive the honor from your lordship. Branch Manager, SBI Branch, High Court of Chhattisgarh, Ms. Garima Theti, kindly come and receive the honor from your lordship. I request Assistant Grade 2 PWD, High Court of Chhattisgarh, Srimati Musha Group, to receive the honor from your lordship. I request Daily Wages Employee PWD, High Court of Chhattisgarh, Srimati Seema Nirmalkar, to receive the honor from your lordship. I request Supervisor SKS Kumari Sharda Khatle to receive the honor from your lordship. I invite clinic staff SKS Srimati Anita Suryavanshi to receive the honor from your lordship. I invite legal assistant Kumari Nayan Jaswal to please come and have the honor from your lordship. I invite daily paid employee Kumari Jagrati Dubey to receive the honor from your lordship. Thank you, Lordship, and thank you all the rebel ladies. And now, I most respectfully invite Honorable the Chief Justice of High Court of Chhattisgarh to kindly place us with their words of wisdom.
Very good evening to all of you. My esteemed sister, Justice Ravi, sitting on the dais, my brother judges who are sitting on the dais, the Registrar General, officers of the registry, the learned Advocate General of the State of Chhattisgarh, President Secretary and members of the Chhattisgarh High Court Bar Association, all the judicial officers and employees, Vice President, President, and Principal and District Judge, Ms. Dharia, all the remarkable women sitting on the dais, and all the women who are amongst the crowd. And I welcome you, all of you, here today on the eve of International Women's Day. And my learned advocates, my brothers, I was also an advocate. I also welcome you with a great sense of admiration that you are amongst the women who are sitting by your side. And as my learned sister Rajni Dubey is a glaring and a live example of the lady women which we have, and probably in the state of Chhattisgarh at the present moment, she is the best example of the thing that right probably 36 years service, she has adorned the bench right from the initial stage of her career. We have with us the Vice President, the young Vice President, who has also recently been elected in the Bar Association of the Chhattisgarh High Court. We have a Principal Judge and the Lady PPS of Honorable Judge. all the ladies who are here. I am little bit not able to mention the name of all the women who are present, the young members of the bar, the persons who have female judges and the female advocates, and the employees in every category who are present. I welcome them, I congratulate them on the International Women's Day, and I will just say that you look here, what we have gathered today, this evening. These are the women, and probably amongst who we have facilitated today. It goes to show that Nari Shakti sabse balwaan. That is what I will say. And we bow down to their dedication and to their services, first to their family and then to the society. I will say that as we have been studying and we have been in our school days, or we are just now here, the ladies have outmatched the male. And it is said that हर एक कामयाब व्यक्ति के पीछे एक लेडी का हाथ होता है, वो बात सही है। ये जो दिन हम लोग सेलिब्रेट करते हैं, ये एक नारी का सम्मान के साथ साथ उसकी त्याग और तपस्या का भी दिन है। तो ये चीज एक अच्छी तो है, but we cannot say that she is a weak, she is most powerful. उसका एक जो कहते हैं कोमल हृदय होता है, वो तो है ही है, लेकिन उसका एक रूप दुर्गा का भी होता है। तो हमको उसकी कोमलता और उसकी शक्ति को प्रणाम करना है। I have noted some views on this occasion. I would like to share my views to you. What I have just now said, it was from my inner heart that I have spoken to you like this. Just few words, bear with me. As we have gathered to celebrate International Women's Day, we are reminded of the invaluable contributions of women in every sphere of life. It is also an occasion to recognize the remarkable women who have shaped our society through their strength, resilience, and dedication. As we observe this occasion under the theme, Give to Gain, we must reflect on the mutual responsibility that helps build a progressive society. Within our judiciary, we understand to give is not merely an act of charity, but a meaningful step towards strengthening our justice system. When we give women equal opportunities at the bench and the bar and support their empowerment, the benefit is not there alone. It becomes a collective gain for the rule of law and for society as a whole. A judiciary that actively integrates the diverse perspectives of women gains a more nuanced understanding of human rights and a more empathetic application of the law, ultimately strengthening the fabric of our democracy. In the context of our state, the theme Give to Gain reminds us our shared responsibility to remove the barriers that still exist in our social and professional lives. When we provide women with equal opportunities to pursue and build successful careers, we create a state that is stronger, more prosperous, and more harmonious. In this country, where the spirit of Nari Shakti has always been an important part of our society, this theme reminds us that justice benefits everyone. The more we work towards creating a safe and inclusive environment, the more we build a society where every person is able to contribute and achieve their full potential. As we honor the esteemed women serving this High Court today, I'd also like to take this opportunity to acknowledge the dedication and valuable contributions of women working in the district courts, civil courts, and in other ancillary offices and departments of the state. On the occasion of the International Women's Day, I extend my warm congratulations to all of them. Their wisdom and compassion enrich the legal profession and help ensure that the scales of justice remain balanced, fair and impartial. This day is not merely about recognizing and appreciating the women power, but also about reaffirming our collective commitment to building a society where women have equal opportunities to grow and contribute in every field. Let us therefore pledge today that a commitment to equality and empowerment is not mere a ceremonial gesture, but a continuous and enduring responsibility. By strengthening the foundations of justice and opportunity for women, we invest in the collective progress and prosperity of our nation. Thank you, Jen. God bless you.
As we draw the curtains on today's celebration, I would like to take a moment on behalf of High Court of Chhattisgarh to express a profound sense of gratitude to one and all present here. First and foremost, we express our sincere thanks to Honorable the Chief Justice of High Court of Chhattisgarh. Honoring their visionary leadership this Women's Day, we are grateful for your Lordship's efforts in fostering an inclusive judiciary where equality and justice prevail for everyone. We are truly grateful to Honorable Mrs. Justice Rajiv Dubey, Judge High Court of Chhattisgarh. Your leadership's constant support has been the backbone of this entire celebration. We are equally privileged to have our honorable dignitaries of the dais with us, whose presence has added immense grace and dignity to this gathering. We thank the respective Registrar General, Officers of Registry, Directors, CSJ, Member Secretary, CGSLSA, officers and staff of both the Academy and CGSLSA for the meticulous coordination that made this celebration a successful one. We express our gratitude towards all the eminent personalities here for their valuable presence. Finally, our thanks to our friends in media for their coverage, the staff members for their tireless behind-the-scenes efforts, and to every distinguished participant, whether present physically or virtually, your contribution has turned this vision into a grand success. And with this, once again, I humbly request all of you to kindly raise the national anthem.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Kind permission of Honorable the Chief Justice of High Court of Chhattisgarh for the formal declaration to end today's celebration. Thank you, Lordship. And with their kind permission, I formally conclude the celebration.